3D Flyover in REVER, let's check it out. Go to the Rides tab located in the lower left corner. Here you can click My Rides. I'm gonna scroll down to my Thanksgiving ride. Once you click into that, it's gonna show you the route preview. Once this is done running its course, you can see the 3D icon in the lower right, or you can swipe to the right. Click View in 3D now. Once this is done rendering, you'll have three options: explore, play, and record. Record is just gonna screen record and allow you to share that. Explore is a static image and you can zoom in on that and play with it. You can also share this static image in the lower right corner with a share arrow. You can use two fingers to zoom, pan around, switch angle. If you click play, this is gonna give you an animation through the route. If you add photos into your ride and they have the correct settings from the camera, they will show up along your 3D route. This gives it a little more of a story. If you want to share that, go ahead and hit record. It'll go through the whole thing again. You have some options down below. The first one's going to change the duration. You can choose to add photos or not. You can change the aspect ratio and you can change the map style.